Oh man, yun mga ka-vlogs, no? Hassle. First day ng vacation. Hassle. Yeah. Hi, I called my insurance number. I just want to get your name just for the record.
Okay, I'll put it on card here,
Okay,
and then it's our address and everything.
right. Yeah, I phoned Rod and
Yeah, because that's the only contact or the only thing that I saw. But you have the numbers of the
right.
the witness, right?
Yeah. That they gave it to the cops, but I didn't write it down. But I should have written down.
Phone the RCMP, they'll give it to you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I was on the phone with them, and then to give an update, and I was on hold for like 15-20 minutes, and suddenly it hang up. So they were having issue with the Wi-Fi, they were saying.
Aww.
So
Perfect.
I'll phone them back again.
Well, thank goodness
Yeah.
that somebody saw it, but he did
Yeah.
call back.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. But
Shouldn't have left the scene, but
yeah.
he was in a hurry to get his kids to baseball or something like that.
Yeah. And the witness said that they were like arguing with the female companion, his female companion. So that probably he was in a rage or whatever.
Not a good day.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank you.
Take care.
Yeah. Oh man, what a day. What day today? It's July 9, Sunday. It's 12:18. Ano lang eh. Ngayon binangga pala kami nung nasa check-in pa kami. Nasa parking lot. So yung itong kotse, yun kanina yung pinakita kong damage. So punta kami sa zoo ngayon. So yeah, hopefully mag-enjoy. Zoo. Ayan o. Ito ang entrance. Ito ang entrance natin, Edmonton Valley. Ayan. Picture tayo?
You see that bird over there? Yeah.
Dito tayo. Ito yung entrance nila, mga ka-vlogs. Meron silang ano dito, wala masyadong tao, which is good. Valley Zoo, Charity Cafe. Yan. Yung mga ibon. You gonna adopt the animal? Okay. Yeah.
I'll sit here.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna do guest services. 12 and 8. 12 and 8. Hi there. Hi. Hello. Can you get 2 adults entrance? 2 adults and Tagalog pala. And dalawang
Hi there.
dalawang dalawang kids.
Yeah, you bet.
12 and 8.
Yes, a long time ago.
Kids tapos 2 adults po.
Sure, why not?
Yeah.
So generally, once you get inside these front gates here, it's all a big donut shape, so you can go left or right, and it's
So magkano ang size ng adult?
Okay.
Isang adult po 15.90.
Okay.
is bird-free area.
Okay.
9.95.
If anyone needs a map po, you can
Oh,
scan
okay.
this one here.
I don't know. Scan from up.
Okay.
Tapos if you want
Sure.
natin po yung mga animal stocks, mga interpreters
Sure.
po, parang binibigyan nila ng mga snacks yung animals, tapos they talk about them. This will be the
Yung time. Okay.
yeah. The
Okay.
next one will be creature feature. Yun po sa Sato Center siya. I'll just put it here.
Yeah, it didn't like me.
There you go.
Okay, great. May, thank you. Salamat. Yeah. So we just show this?
So just that's just an addition in case umalis kayo, tas babalik.
Sure.
Oh,
If
okay.
you're able to do that.
Oh, okay. So, punta lang kami dyan, Sarah. Salamat. Ito. Ayan. Just in case umalis daw. Sa entrance. Ito ba yun? Ah, dito? Nandito tayo? Yan. Wala namang babantay. Ito muna tayo. Oh, otter. Look, the otter. Right?
I'm gonna do something else.
Pardon? Okay, you've done watching you on?
Here, I'll take a picture. You got it. Okay. Take a picture.
You can. Am I falling to the water?
Selfie. Okay, Alright, hurry. Go there by yourself. Go there so we can see the other. And 1, 2. Okay. Oh, look at that. So cute. They're very vicious.
Oh, now they're hiding.
Okay. Yeah, look at that small lemur. Lemur? Ano nito? Liliit. Lemur, I think.
Meerkats.
Meerkat?
Meerkat.
Meerkat. Oh, meerkat.
It looks like a raccoon, bro.
Oh, hi.
It's Pomone from the line.
Oh, what happened to the other one?
He's napping.
he
He's
like-
laying
Oh,
down. He got. He walked over here and then flipped over.
Oh, okay. I thought he was playing dead or something.
Yeah, I thought he was playing dead. Oh, look at that one over there.
What's the other one? Meerkat.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Bro, it's an act. Parang ano siya, model.
Hi.
Model.
You want to meet Tuya? You want to meet Tuya?
Parang siya model.
Yes. Hi.
God.
You see it?
You want to
Yeah.
meet
Here.
Toya? Nice. Hi guys.
Oh.
Hi guys. Hi. Hello. Hi, yes.
Hello.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Look, oh.
Guys,
Hi.
he's sitting like a man.
Oh my goodness. You are so
He
talented.
could be holding a beer and everything.
He's sitting.
Hi. Hello. Hi, bye.
Oh, this is a quiet area. It's some quiet area here. Ganda oh. Wolf. Arctic wolf. No mate. Right there. Tortoise.
Para may kasama sila.
Mag-mate.
Ha?
Mag-mate.
Ayaw nila mag-away din siguro.
Hey, ano?
What's that?
Lemur.
The
Lemur. Black and white rough lemur.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Hi.
Hi. Ayan, the lemur. Real, man. Capybara is not real. Yeah. I think so, yeah. Red panda zone, but there's no red panda. Ayan.
I do see a bird right there.
Yeah. Meh. 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 Baboy. Yun yung baboy. Little piggy.
Can I just see your arms really?
Mm.
Turn your head the other way.
Yeah, Fox is here. Hi, Foxy.
You're already awake?
Yeah. Dali, alis na. Ah, nagtago na. Ayun oh.
Ayun? Oh, that one. Parang hindi siya ano. Hindi siya healthy.
Foxy. Ayan si Lynx oh. Lynx is awake. Liit ng buntot.
Подивіться. Скільки в нього ноги довгі, Влад? Смішний.
You say smile?
Hi. Oh my god. Hello. Hi.
Nakita natin yan sa ano eh. Sa... Ayan oh. Nakita natin to sa ano. Ba natin nakita to? Naka-vlogs dito sa zoo. Merong mga ganito. Ayan yung cave oh. River starts here. Init. Vlogs ng camel. Malaki oh. They're eating grass. Okay.
No, my favorite one. Hey, stop. What?
Mga vlogs ng zebra.
Oh no.
Zebra or zebra. Zebras.
Oh. They can go here.
Ayun oh. Right there. Minx. Mouse ba yun? Kinakain na?
Oh my god, ang galing.
Look at that. Nag-gravity ano.
Parang wala lang eh. Alin yung sa tatlo pala.
He looks like that.
That guy's going inside there.
It's their feeding time. Ay mga vlogs, dito tayo sa pinapalangkihan ni Kainags Lucky Supermarket. Dito
Dito.
TNT bandang Northgate, Edmonton. My old place. Kumain kami dito sa TNT. Yung mga dim sum, chicken feet, sushi, bochi. Bili rin ako ng mani.